Okay, look, I just made freaking history. If you're unaware, there's a whole community of wacko engineers out there that build engines that run on compressed air. You have famous ones like Tom Stanton, 3D Printed Life, Integza, Kersey, so many more. You have so many people out there that build these engines. However, if there's one trend I've seen over the past like 4 or 5 years that air engines have been around, they've all been two strokes. If you don't know the difference between a two-stroke and a four-stroke, I'll have a link to my full video down below if you want to see that. However, the biggest difference is four strokes, it's never been done before on the internet. So that's why I'll be the first one to do it. Here's a little clip for you guys if you want to check it out on the full video.
No! No! Way!